DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, I've got a hold of Ron, the machinist, and he is doing my wheel hubs or wing hubs. And I decided on a slight change here. This is the right, this is the left. So, I'm going to build the whole thing on this, okay? On one side. I'm going to set it up. To where, you know, it's perfect. And then screw it down. So I think the first thing will be to glue this down. We're starting at this end because this end is solid on the edge here, all the way up on the edge here. But I gotta glue this down and then set it up perfect. And do I have the glue? No, it's inside. So let me get that. And I was gonna go see the total solar eclipse on April 8th. One of the most amazing total solar eclipses of all time. It's going to be 4 minutes of totality. It's going to start in Mexico, go through Texas, and wind up, you know, in Maine, go all the way across the United States. But I just found out that there's going to be cloud cover in Texas, a shit ton of it. So I'm going to save myself a trip. I really wanted to see it. Great. It always closes up. And now I don't have to go. Don't have to go. Don't get to go. I saw the one in, there was one in Mexico in '91 in Cabo San Lucas for 6 minutes of totality. It was amazing. I drove all the way down there through Baja California and went on the beach, took all my clothes off. There was nobody on the beach outside of Cabo San Lucas, and witnessed one of the most amazing things I've ever seen. In fact, I'm probably going to call that the high point of my life, watching that. So if you're in the Northeast, it looks like that's the best time best place to see it. Like, you know, Pennsylvania, Maine, you can look it up. But if you do nothing else in your life, go see a total solar eclipse. They're fucking amazing. They're actually, the way I describe it is, look at all this glue. It's like the whole world turns into a cathedral, okay? The whole world just turns into one big cathedral. The birds stop chirping, it gets really, really fucking quiet. And anyway, you gotta go see it if you can. Don't miss it. But if you're in Texas, you're gonna have to travel. Because it don't look like it doesn't look like it's gonna be in Texas. Too bad, you know. This looks pretty good. I think we're good here. So anyway, I'm gonna use the graphene carbon fiber. Lay down some release agent on this. Wet it down with the epoxy. I got the graphene, the graphite. Carbon fiber. So this is it right here. So, wet it down, put it all over here, the first layer, and then I'm going to have some foam core that goes in here, and then and when it's all done, I'm going to try to fold this over for the second layer. Anyway, that's the plan. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Oh, I saw another solar eclipse, the one in 2017 in Oregon, and that one, Madras, Oregon. And that one was beautiful. Only I think 2.5 minutes of totality, but it was beautiful. I got my sister, I had to talk her into it. I had to twist her fucking arm. She lives in Oregon. She's not very far away. And I got her to see it, and she was so glad that I did that, And how are we doing here? I think we're good. Maybe a little bit more. Oh, this way. I'm gonna fuck it up. Hi, baby. Oh, there's Greystoke. Hi, Greystoke. Greystoke and Perlita. Hi, Greystoke. Hi, Perlita. Greystoke, you're a big fucking lug. You know that? A very big fucking lug. You're a big fucking lug. Perlita, you're so pretty. Look at you. You're a pretty dog. Yeah, it's a very pretty dog. Anyway, where was I? Oh, yeah, Madras. I drove up there. Unbelievably cool to see a total solar eclipse, guys. You gotta do it. Where's my drill? Anyway, so let this set up, and then once this is, I'm pretty good here, I think. Tappy tappy in there. I gotta nail this down, this side. Undo these and screw it down. So anyway, layer of epoxy, the graphite, the carbon fiber, my core, 1/4-inch core panels, more epoxy, and then the last layer of the carbon fiber, and then just roll it. And anyway, you'll see. And that'll be the first wing. Alright, onward and upward. Great stuff, look at you. Alright, I got my drill. Nothing like square drive, Okay, I can push this up now. Not too hard. And then cinch her down. Let me double check everything, and then I'll do the other two. I knew that rose up when I think this one moved. I know it did. What the hell? Is it too late? Oh, that still moves. Look at that. Cool. Alright, let's try again. do this outside one. Looks good. Okay. Okay, so this is solid now. Ready for the graphene. Graphite. Hey, did you guys know that diamond are pure carbon? It's just that the diamonds are pure carbon. It's just that they're lined up next to each other tight, and that makes a diamond. Isn't that strange? The diamond is pure carbon. Yes, it is. Give me a paw. Let's see. Up. Oh, you shook with the right hand too. Good girl. Graphite. Carbon is a weird shit. That's some weird stuff, man. You can do weird stuff with carbon. Alright, so that's ready. So I got my epoxy coming, and I got the wing hubs being machined. Oh, the next thing, I gotta bend these 3 grade 8 ones. This is my template right here, so they gotta be bent the same as this one and cut. So that's also on the list. And I bought a little short piece just to be able to experiment with it, you know, heat it up and bend it and see how this behaves, because this is grade 8. And what else? Oh yeah, this, instead of this, I'm going to use something like this. It's going to be flat there, but I'm going to drill a hole in the end and stick music wire in there, which music wire is just thick wire that's like spring tension, and that'll give the wing be able to move, and then hopefully if it gets too strong a wind, it'll move too far and cut down on the, you know, control its speed by itself. That's the plan. So I gotta do that. Paprika, yes. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, you know. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made $10,000. So these testimonies, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.